Hello my YouTube family, warm welcome on our YouTube channel on English Learners. This is Madhuri Chaurus in front of you, and in this video I am going to give answer of your questions. I am not sure that do you feel this kind of questions in your head, in your mind or not, but if you are learning English language without any teacher or under a teacher, you are learning this language with the help of internet, then perhaps somewhere you feel this kind of questions that am I going in right direction, am I working hard in right direction or not, but you are not in contact of any kind of teacher, so you can't ask this kind of questions today. But don't worry, I am going to share with all of you how you can feel, how you can think that you're working, you're practicing in right direction or not, so that you can save your precious time, of course. So without wasting our precious time, let's begin. Suppose that if you are learning this language, or if you have been learning this language for a month or for a couple of years, like this kind of things, then let me share with all of you. When I started to learn this language, my level was something like this. Something like this means this is level of Hindi and this is level of English. You can see exact gap. Like when I started to learn this language, I used to think so much in English, in Hindi. I used to take the help of Hindi language more, and I used to think in English like this. You can see the gap between these two things. But if you are learning, if you are remembering vocab, if you are remembering idioms, if you are learning grammar, if you are learning ready-made sentences, parts of a speech, like this kind of things, if you are adding little, I can say little knowledge every day, थोड़ी ज्ञान अगर आप अपने अंदर भरते हैं, then what is going to happen? You are going to think like this. Now you are going to not take the help of Hindi language so much. Now you are going to think, I can say more, थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा आप इंग्लिश में सोचना स्टार्ट कर देंगे, and then you will start thinking in Hindi like this. And now there will come a day when your English would be like this and your Hindi would be like this. Like as now what happened, what is going on with me, of course, there was a time, no doubt, as I said, I used to take the help of Hindi language so much, I can say 90%, and I used to take the help of English language 10%, because due to lack of knowledge, due to lack of input in my mind, of course, I had not enough words, vocab or idioms, phrases to express my feelings, exact feelings. So I used to take the help of Hindi language, as you can see in videos as well. But after learning little knowledge every day, what is going to happen? You are going to think more in English and you are going to think less in Hindi. And there would become a day when you will think more in English and less in Hindi. So you have to wait for this day. You have to work hard for this day. And if you are doing like this kind of things, or if this kind of things are going with you, then you are going in right direction. Like I started to learn English language in 2019. In 2019 to 20, I used to speak using both languages, Hindi and English. Both languages I used to use that time. But what happened after 1 year, or I can say half year, I started remembering vocab, phrases, idioms, like this kind of things, adjective, like this kind of things I started remembering. So I had enough data, I can say input in my mind to use to express my feelings in English. So I started using Hindi language less, and I started speaking or using English language more. Same things perhaps is going with you, and if this is not going with you, then you are not going in right direction. You are not working, you are not practicing in right direction. Believe me guys, this is the process of learning any language. In starting phase, you take help of your mother tongue so much, I can say 100%. But after learning something, you take the help of your mother tongue, I can say little, less. Like this kind of things. And this is the process of learning this language. If your mother tongue is not English, this is the process of learning English language. I don't know about other people, but it happened with me, and same thing is going to happen with you, with all of you as well. There is no any secret. There is nothing like, uh, of course, secret kind of things. There is very obvious thing. If someone has started to learn this language, same thing is going to happen with all of you as well. So basically, through this video, I wanted to share with all of you, if you are not learning this language under any teacher, and no doubt you would feel, or of course I used to feel, then of course you will also feel this kind of doubts, no doubt. So if you feel like this kind of things, don't forget to share in the comment box. And if you have any kind of qualms, you can ask in the comment box. And this was my way to express my feelings. Yeah. And this is the process of learning this language, guys. There's nothing like कुछ ऐसा जादू वादू नहीं है. There is no any like magic और कुछ ऐसा टैबलेट वैबलेट नहीं है जो आप खिला दोगे कोई या खिला देगा आपको और आप अचानक बोलने लग जाइएगा. ऐसा कुछ नहीं, ठीक है. यही प्रोसेस है. This is the only process of learning this language. And I think this thing happened with everyone. Whoever does not belong to England or America or Canada or Australia, यही प्रोसेस है सीखने की, और कोई प्रोसेस नहीं है, ठीक है. I hope that I was able to share my feelings with all of you, and you can see my level is not like so good, but okay, no problem, okay, काम चलाने को है. And I want to share with all of you what happened with me today. I was attending the class of my college, and there was a teacher. He was district skill manager, DSM. He came in our school and he was speaking in English. There were almost more than 20 students in the class, and I was also one of them. He was speaking in English. अंदर से मेरी ऐसे मतलब क्या ही कहूँ, ऐसा मतलब कीड़ा निकलने लगा. I also started speaking with him in English. So before it, I never spoke with any kind of person alive. Like जिंदा इंसानों के साथ मैंने आज तक इंग्लिश में बात नहीं किया. हमेशा I talk with online platform like on S-Fluency, Talk Now, Josh Talk, like this kind of on application I talk. So ऐसे जिंदा इंसानों से मैंने कभी बात नहीं किया, but I talked with that person, and I was totally shocked that I'm able to speak. Then after it, I understood, if you practice, if you experience, if you practice so much, you will do it. There is nothing like magic kind of things. Okay, so practice is everything. Doesn't matter you are practicing with your friend or whatever, but practice it, guys. Practice is everything. Okay, be in the practice. Enjoy this process, enjoy it and learn it. This is just a language. Learn it. जब आपको इंग्लिश आ जाएगी ना और आप हिंदी में बात कीजिएगा तो उसकी अलग ही चल रहा है, और जब आपको इंग्लिश नहीं आएगी और तब आप हिंदी में बात कीजिएगा तो उसकी अलग चल रहा है. तो आने के बाद हिंदी बोलना, दैट इज़ योर चॉइस, बट नहीं आने के बाद आपके पास कोई चॉइस नहीं है. तो ये अपने आप में आने दीजिए चीज़ें. ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. आई होप दैट I was able to share my feelings with all of you. If yes, don't forget to share your opinion in the comment box. If it would be possible for you, hit the bell icon of like button and subscribe button as well. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.